Bad boy Halo. Bad boy Halo.
I'm not.
How do I know if I'm a virgin?
Goodbye.
Goggy, what is an STD?
Tell the joke.
No, I'm not saying. No,
Goggy. What is an STD?
I don't know. What is it? I'm googling it. STD.
What is it?
What is it?
And how do you get it? Specifically, how do you get it?
Is it like a
You
Pokemon?
have some. Can we trade them like?
It's like a Pokemon.
Pokemon?
Can you trade an STD? I think you
How many
can.
STDs do you have?
It says it's a super technological device.
Oh yeah?
So it could be a computer or a
Wait,
phone.
I have a bunch of STDs at home.
Wait, really? I'm just reading the definition. It says it could be a computer or a phone, but it could also be AIDS, which is audio-inspired device system.
I have speakers at home.
Or
This is awesome.
Goggy, I have a very serious question for you. Goggy, what is sex?
it's like that shop where you can buy used electronics from.
Whoa, whoa! What kind of electronics are we talking about, Goggy? What
STDs?
kind of...
Phones, laptops.
No. That's different to what I'm asking. I'm on about this one.
Oh, I thought you were
I'm on
about
about that one.
Let me Google that one again. What is?
You should go on
stand
images.
for?
You should go on images.
I will.
no.
It stands
Sex.
for sacred.
Oh wow, I'm one button press away from being perm banned on Twitch. Oh my god.